The Dreo Smart Humidifier for bedroom is a highly functional and user-friendly device designed to improve indoor air quality. With a 4-liter top-fill water tank, it offers convenience and easy refilling, while its ultrasonic technology ensures quiet operation, making it ideal for bedrooms, nurseries, and offices. The humidifier boasts a 32-hour runtime, suitable for large rooms, and features multiple control options, including touch, app, and voice control. For seamless adjustments, its built-in nightlight adds a soothing ambience, and its ability to maintain optimal humidity levels makes it beneficial for homes with babies, plants, or dry environments. While the Dreo Smart Humidifier excels in many areas, it has a few limitations. The 4-liter tank may require frequent refilling in very large spaces, and the nightlight lacks brightness adjustment, which may not suit all users. Additionally, the app control can occasionally face connectivity issues. Despite these minor drawbacks, the humidifier's quiet operation, long runtime, and versatile features make it a practical and reliable choice for maintaining comfort in various settings. Read full review in the description below. A link to order this product on Amazon has been provided as well.